Welcome! In this quick guide, you'll learn how to make your Telegram chat list show 2 lines instead of 1, giving you more message preview and making it easier to scan conversations at a glance. If you've ever felt like the default chat view is a bit too compact, this simple setting can make a big difference. It allows you to see more of each message directly from your chat list, which is especially useful when you're managing multiple conversations or channels. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where all your chats are visible. Next, look for the menu icon in the top corner of your screen. Tap the 3 horizontal lines to open the side menu. From there, tap on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls the appearance of your chats, including themes, text size, and layout options. Now, scroll down until you see an option called Chat List View. This is where you can choose how your chat previews are displayed. You'll see different layout options here. Select 2 lines. As soon as you tap it, your chat list will instantly update, showing more text from each message. That's it. Your Telegram chat list will now display 2 lines per conversation, giving you a clearer preview of incoming messages without opening each chat. This small change can really improve your overall experience, especially if you rely on Telegram for work, groups, or staying on top of multiple conversations. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more tips to customize Telegram and boost your productivity.